Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. So I know I promised you a few oat flour recipes, but they did not come out right. So today we're making air fryer stuffed chicken. Sorry about the chickens, they're not my chickens and they have no respect. I'm gonna add some oil, onions, and red bell peppers and cook that until they are translucent. I added garlic and I'm gonna cook it until it's fragrant. Then I'm gonna stir in the spinach and cook it until it wilts. I added a little bit more spinach because it didn't look like enough to me, so I'm just gonna cook that until it wilts, and this is what the filling looks like so far. I'm adding about 4 ounces of cream cheese, and then I'm gonna stir it until it melts. Then I'm gonna stir in the mozzarella cheese and some seasoning. Also, I turned the stove off just before I added the cream cheese. Once I mixed in the seasoning, I removed the filling from the stove and then I let it cool. So this is the chicken breast. I just trimmed it and then I'm gonna cut a slit into it. I'm not cutting all the way through it because this is the cavity where the spinach filling will go. I seasoned the chicken and I also added a little bit of oil to help it brown. I'm gonna add the spinach filling to the chicken. You're only gonna see me do one chicken breast because my phone ran out of space and I didn't want to touch it since I already touched raw chicken. So yeah. Also, I secured the chicken breast with a toothpick to prevent the filling from spilling out as it cooks, and I sprayed the air fryer basket with non-stick cooking spray. I placed the chicken into the air fryer basket and I'm just gonna cook that for 18 to 22 minutes. And this is how it came out. It's golden brown and I'm just gonna add some fresh spinach leaves to it. And that's it. So this chicken breast was really good. I thoroughly enjoyed it. If you want detailed instructions on how to make this chicken breast, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching, like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.